In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the reconnect loop in League of Legends. Now, keep in mind this only works for some people, so just try it and see if it works for you. Now, what you want to do is you want to go here, search for League of Legends, right click and open file location. Now from in here, you're going to find your Riot Games folder. I have mine saved in here. Riot Games, find League of Legends, and scroll down. From in here, you're going to find League Client UX, and League Client UX Render. You're going to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and run this program as an administrator. You're going to click this and apply to all three of these. Now what you also want to do is come back to Riot Games, find Riot Client, and do the exact same on Riot Client Services. Properties, Compatibility, run this program as an administrator. Now once this is done, try closing your league and then reopening it. See if this fixed the issue. If it does not, another thing you can try is Ctrl-Alt-Delete and open up your task manager. From in here, what you need to do is press on Details, find League of Legends, find the League Client UX Render, and Task, and see if this fixes the problem. Now, if none of these work, I suggest you try and repair your League of Legends or uninstall and reinstall it. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.